Welcome to Auto UK, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into a fascinating blend of sustainability and adventure, the 2025 Tricycle Teardrop Camper. This unique hybrid combines the compact mobility of a tricycle with the cozy comforts of a teardrop camper, offering an eco-friendly and adventurous way to explore the open road. Tricycle campers are revolutionizing the way we think about travel. These innovative vehicles offer a blend of cycling and camping, allowing adventurers to explore remote areas with ease. The 2025 models have seen significant advancements in design and functionality. Pedal-powered efficiency, tricycle campers are powered by human effort, reducing carbon emissions and promoting a healthy lifestyle. Compact design, their compact size allows for easy maneuverability through narrow trails in urban environments. Integrated storage. Built-in storage solutions enable campers to carry essential gear without compromising on space. Teardrop campers have been a staple for minimalist travelers for years. Their aerodynamic shape and lightweight design make them ideal for towing behind vehicles. The 2025 models have taken these features to the next level. Smart technology, integration of solar panels and energy-efficient lighting systems. The fusion of tricycles and teardrop campers creates a versatile travel solution. This hybrid design offers the mobility of a tricycle with the comfort of a camper. Aerodynamics, ensuring the combined unit maintains aerodynamic efficiency to reduce drag. Weight distribution, proper weight distribution is crucial for stability and safety. Modular components, designing components that can be easily assembled and disassembled for convenience. This innovative hybrid offers numerous advantages for modern travelers. Eco-friendly travel. Reduced carbon footprint due to pedal-powered movement and solar energy use. Cost-effective, lower operational costs compared to traditional motorhomes. Health benefits, encourages physical activity through cycling. While the tricycle teardrop camper offers many benefits, there are challenges to consider. Limited storage space, compact design may limit the amount of gear that can be carried. Weather dependency, cycling may be less feasible in adverse weather conditions. Terrain limitations, not suitable for all terrains, especially mountainous regions. The 2025 Tricycle Teardrop Camper represents a significant step forward in sustainable and adventurous travel. By combining the mobility of a tricycle with the comfort of a teardrop camper, it offers a unique solution for modern explorers. While there are challenges to consider, the benefits make it a compelling option for those looking to reduce their environmental impact and embrace a more active lifestyle.